I don't know if you guys have messed with it or not. In the calendar, whenever you go into your calendar, you then have the ability to say, okay, whose calendar do I want to see? I can pick which calendar. Or if I go to my timeline piece, I can say, well, I want to see Cody's, I want to see McKinsey's, I want to see, whomever, and then that way you can see everybody's thing that's on their calendar. I don't have anything on my calendar. Really.
I didn't know you can do that. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Laura's gonna love it because in the morning, Erica was sending a screenshot of her calendar. I got this call, blah blah. Oh my God.
Like on this one here, step 9, closing detail. I'm gonna, just for grins here, I'm gonna come in here. This is on Cody's calendar. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my calendar as well. So whenever I do that, now that same activity is shown on both calendars. So
you can put multiple people's calendars, no?
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh.
Don't get too excited.
Oh, yeah, and now I can see everyone's.
Yeah. So that's
even
whenever you're looking at those routines, whenever you're setting up a routine, setting up who needs to know about these. Some things, only one person needs to deal with. Maybe the administrator, whoever is a party member to a certain thing. Maybe it's a certain person, but you pick those. Whenever it takes that routine and it puts it onto the calendar, it'll put it on the calendar for that person that you've selected. And then that way, whenever that calendar item is due, one person or the other can complete it. It doesn't matter who completes it, as long as it gets completed.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the whole purpose of that.